Invest Diva CEO Kiana Danial. So first, I didn't know that you left Iran 20 years ago. Tell us a little bit first about your journey.
I lived in Iran. I was born and raised, and I thought my life was normal. I thought getting arrested for showing your hair on the streets is a normal thing. And then little did I know that that was not normal. Now Iranian people are speaking. They're calling for regime change, and I am rooting for them. And as an investor, I want to know what comes next. And I think this is going to be an amazing opportunity for international investment. The entire geo-economics is going to change when the regime changes in Iran, because Iran and America are going to become allies.
Right. You're calling it a geo-economic reset.
Yes, absolutely.
Energy, trade routes, technology, talent, regional stability, all of those things are positives for the global economy.
100%. Basically, going back to before 1979 revolution, Iran and America were partnering on energy, on defense, on talent, and Iran has some of the best talent just suppressed for the past 47 years. NVIDIA, all of these tech companies can get going.
I'm going to bring that up. Some of these names that you said that could possibly benefit some of these U.S. names on AI, security, cybersecurity. A lot, to your point, a lot of scientists, a lot of, listen, you say NVIDIA could really use that talent.
100%, because NVIDIA doesn't need more land. They need more talent. They're just been acquiring all of these companies that have talent, and Iran has so much suppressed talent just ready to go and come in and help America and American stocks to flourish even more.
Now, defense and aerospace, this is sort of counterintuitive. It seems to me if there's more regional stability, would that give us a break on defense spending? Because
Iran used to be actually one of the biggest buyers of defense. So Lockheed, Raytheon, Northrop Grumman, and then even on the tier 3, L3Harris, or even in private equity, Anduril could benefit from becoming allies with Iran, with America, and actually getting the infrastructure.
And of course, the energy resets kind of speaks for itself here.
That's a little bit of
one thing you talk about a lot is emotions and people involved in the market. You say markets are not afraid of bad news; they're afraid of uncertainty without a story. 100%. Is that where we are right now, you feel?
I think the market is always, we're following the headlines, and I think the biggest risk really is not investing because of uncertainty. People who are making the most money are the people who go in when there is uncertainty, and then they sell at the top and then go back in.
So let's talk about that, because I think you've got to target 8,000, but we're not going to go there in a straight line. You're looking for some sort of a pullback.
100%. I think right now S&P 500, we could get into one of these key psychological levels. I don't have my Fibonacci here, but one of those key psychological levels, I have my buy on doors.
I think you had, could it go below 6,000?
Right. Yeah, 6,000-ish. I think that could be a bit of a stretch, but April 2025 could happen again, and I'm ready to just go and invest.
But this to you would be the ultimate buy signal, though, right? So you're looking for a dip some point along the way. I think almost everyone on the street is embracing for some form of volatility.
Yes.
But again, make that your friend. Like, take advantage of it. Don't run from it. Embrace it, because ultimately we're going to go back up in your mind.
And it's going to be a win-win for everybody.
Yeah. Yes. No, I mean, it just feels like this is a time, and you talk to a lot of individual investors. Is this the same enthusiasm still out there?
No. People are getting scared, and because the volatility is kind of slowing down and there's not as much energy, I think we're looking for a catalyst, and once that catalyst hits and there is a pullback, then the enthusiasm is going to come back up.
All right. Well, keep at it.
Yes.
Great story, by the way.